video, we are going to see and resolve this error that says file is too large for the destination file system. This error usually appears in the USB or SD card if you're trying to feed in some data. So here is how you can quickly resolve that issue. First of all, we head over to the File Explorer and we click on our PC, and here is the USB drive plugged in. We right click on that and click on Format. But just remember that this will erase all the data on your USB drive. So if you have some important data, just make sure to shift it somewhere. And basically that problem usually appears when you have a FAT32 default file system. So if you change it to NTFS and you click on quick format, you click on start, click OK, then everything should work fine. And as you can see, format is complete, click OK. And that's pretty much it. After that, you can transfer the file without getting an error. So before, even if you had space, it was showing the error, but now the error should be fully resolved, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.